In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to access the Justice course on Harvard and how you can become Harvard certified step by step. This is one of the most popular online courses offered by Harvard, and it's taught by a world-renowned professor. If you've ever wanted to study at Harvard from anywhere in the world and earn a certificate to prove it, this guide is for you. Make sure you watch till the end so you don't miss any important details about enrollment and certification. And if you find this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software and education tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to harvardonline.harvard.edu/course. This is the official Harvard Online Courses page, so you know you're in the right place and not on a third-party website. Once the page loads, you'll see a list of available courses offered by Harvard University across different subjects. At the top of the page, you'll notice a search bar that allows you to quickly find a specific course. Click on the search bar and type in Justice. As you type, the results will update, and you should see the Justice course appear in the list. Click on the Justice course to open the full course details page. On this page, you'll find an overview of what the course is about, the instructor information, the syllabus, and what you'll learn throughout the course. Take a moment to read through this section so you understand what you're signing up for and how the course is structured. When you're ready to move forward, look for the Enroll button on the page and click on it. This will take you to the enrollment process. At this stage, you'll be asked to either sign in or create an account with Harvard Online. If you already have an account, simply log in using your email and password. If you're new, follow the prompts to create a new account by entering your basic details, such as your name, email address, and a secure password. After logging in, you'll be guided to the Payment and Enrollment section. Here, you'll need to fill in your required details and complete the payment for the course. The payment covers access to the course materials and the official Harvard certificate upon successful completion. Make sure all your information is correct before confirming the payment. Once the payment is completed, you'll gain full access to the Justice course content. You can start learning right away at your own pace, watching lectures, completing readings, and participating in any required assessments. As you progress through the course, make sure you complete all the required modules and assignments. This is important because finishing the course successfully is what qualifies you for the certificate. After you complete the entire course and meet all the requirements, you'll receive your Harvard certificate for the Justice course. This certificate can be shared on your resume, LinkedIn profile, or portfolio to showcase your achievement and demonstrate that you've completed a Harvard certified course. And that's it. You now know exactly how to access the Justice course on Harvard and get Harvard certified step by step. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and up-to-date guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.